As a public health entrepreneur, your network becomes your lifeline to opportunities, knowledge, and growth. Professional networks in this field beyond it really extends beyond the traditional business connections, and it includes healthcare providers, community organizations, policymakers, and other stakeholders in public health ecosystem. Greetings, everyone, and thank you for joining me on this episode. Welcome to Public Health Entrepreneurs, the podcast for visionary leaders who are ready to transform public health and healthcare through innovation. I'm your host, Dr. Charlotte Huntley, and I'm a public health entrepreneur with over 25 years of experience in healthcare and public health. And I understand the unique challenges and opportunities that come with bridging multiple disciplines. If you are an interdisciplinary leader, a high-functioning leader with expertise across multiple fields, whether you are a medical doctor, a dentist, pharmacist who also has a master's or a degree in public health, or a public health doctor who has expertise in another field, or any other interdisciplinary professional, you know what it's like to see the opportunities that other people miss. You also understand the gaps in our current systems, as well as the frustrations and that go along with all that. You have a lot of ideas about how to make things better, but you also know that others don't always value or see or appreciate your perspective. And it even feels that you feel torn between your different fields of expertise, all the while others are just not as excited about your new ideas as you are. I definitely understand all of this, and it's why we focus this podcast, especially this recent series of episodes, to provide you with the type of support that you need. On today's episode, we are going to take the discussion from our previous episode about communities a little further, go a little deeper, and talk about the power of building strong professional communities. Let's dive in. In the dynamic landscape of public health entrepreneurship, success isn't achieved in isolation. It's built through the power of community and meaningful connections. The public health sector continues to evolve and face increasingly complex challenges. Entrepreneurs, consultants, and business owners in public health are discovering that their greatest assets lie in the strength of their communities. So building and nurturing these relationships isn't just about networking. It's creating sustainable ecosystems that drive innovation, support, and growth, and ultimately lead to better public health outcomes. Let's talk about building strong professional networks. As a public health entrepreneur, your network becomes your lifeline to opportunities, knowledge, and growth. Professional networks in this field it really extends beyond the traditional business connections, and it includes healthcare providers, community organizations, policymakers, and other stakeholders in public health ecosystem. These relationships provide invaluable insights and really into emerging health trends, regulatory changes, market trends. By actively participating in professional associations, attending industry conferences, and engaging in online communities specific to public health, entrepreneurs can build robust networks that support their businesses, their business goals, while also contributing to a broader public health initiatives. Let's talk a little bit about creating collaborative partnerships. Public health entrepreneurs who excel at partnership building understand that no single organization can address complex health challenges alone. Strategic collaborations might involve partnering with local health departments to implement community health programs, joining forces with technology companies to develop innovative health solutions, or working with academic institutions to conduct research that validate these interventions. These partnerships not only expand your reach and capabilities, but also create opportunities to access diverse funding streams and share resources. The key is identifying partners whose missions align with yours and establishing clear, mutually beneficial arrangements that advance both parties' goals. Now let's talk a little bit about leveraging collective expertise. When entrepreneurs tap into their community's collective knowledge, they gain access to diverse perspectives and specialized expertise that can inform their business strategies and service delivery models. This might involve creating advisory boards comprising experienced public health professionals, participating in mastermind groups with other public health entrepreneurs, or engaging in knowledge sharing platforms. The collective wisdom of the community can help validate ideas, identify potential pitfalls, and discover innovation or innovative solutions to complex health problems and challenges. This collaborative approach to expertise sharing often leads to more robust and effective interventions than working in isolation. So, a little bit about building support systems for growth. The journey of building a public health venture can be demanding, as you all know, and sometimes isolating. You probably also know that. A strong support system provides both emotional encouragement and practical assistance during difficult times. This might include mentor relationships with experienced entrepreneurs or peer support groups that understand the unique challenges of the field, or professional networks that offer guidance on business development and scaling. These support systems help entrepreneurs maintain their resilience, learn from others' experiences, and stay motivated when facing obstacles. So they also provide safe spaces to discuss challenges and brainstorm solutions with others who understand the complexities of combining business success with public health impact. And one more kind of point here is creating win-win relationships in the industry. So successful public health entrepreneurs understand that their business success is intrinsically linked to the value they provide or create for their communities and their partners. This involves developing business models that generate both financial returns and positive health outcomes, establishing fair and transparent partnerships, and ensuring that all stakeholders benefit from collaborative initiatives. So win relationships might include revenue sharing arrangements with community partners, joint venture opportunities that expand services to underserved populations, or innovative payment models that align incentives across healthcare or public health ecosystems. These relationships build trust, enhance reputation, and create sustainable frameworks for continued growth and impact in public health sector. So as we navigate the future of public health entrepreneurship, the power of community will continue to be a cornerstone of success. The entrepreneurs who thrive will be those who not only build strong networks, but actively contribute to and nurture their communities by embracing collaboration, sharing expertise, and creating meaningful partnerships. Public health entrepreneurs can amplify their impact, drive sustainable growth, and contribute to the broader mission of improving health and health outcomes. Remember, in this field, we're not just building businesses, we're building healthier communities together. As we wrap up this episode, I'd like to remind you that I have 2 ways to support you on your public health entrepreneurial journey. If you're looking for personalized guidance, let's work together one-on-one. I do have capacity for that at this moment. As someone who understands the unique challenges of being an interdisciplinary leader, I can help you turn your innovative ideas into reality. The second way is if you're ready to join a community of high-functioning leaders like yourself, consider applying for our premium mastermind group program. You'll connect with other professionals who, like you, are bridging multiple disciplines and creating meaningful change in public health. Visit Public Health Entrepreneurs to learn more. Links are also provided in the show notes. All right, everyone. Until next time, have a fantastic rest of your day.